fun yet?
Yeah.
We finally finished outfitting and repairing and could finally start moving north. We stopped at Savusavu on Vanuatu at the Copra Shed Marina.
Isn't that a pretty little boat? Isn't she pretty?
It gave us a chance to pause and admire Selwyn.
We have to dig it and go walk around, but we can't. We gotta go. No, we gotta go. Our hatches are open. Okay. Once our hatches are closed, I don't mind if we get wet. I don't mind getting wet at all. In fact, if it really rains hard, I'm gonna just go out and watch the boat.
Savusavu used to be central to the coconut plantations in the area. The copra shed that houses the Copra Shed Marina was once an actual copra shed, used for processing coconuts into oil and loading it here onto ships that were headed for trade far and wide. The Copra Shed is now a marina and yacht club with restaurant, bar, and a few shops. But it's still very British, so remember, take your hat off before you go in the yacht club.
The big cannons. They built ships with battering rams on the front of them. Ram the other ships.
While men wearing a brightly covered fabric wrap is common throughout the Pacific, Fiji has taken the concept of a lava or sarong formal. They use them as business suits, even police uniforms. They're called sulu.
I really like this old boat. A couple of 2-cylinder Chinese diesels in there to put out about 1,000 horsepower. It's been hauling trucks, loaded trucks and cement trucks ever since our arrival here. 6, 7, 10 trips a day. Because they're working on an island, of course. The trucks have to come from elsewhere. No idea when this new marina will be done, but it looks like it's coming together.
Savusavu is a quaint town with lots of charm from bygone eras. There are geothermal streams that run directly into the ocean, and at night you can even see the shoreline steaming. One night Manson went up one of those streams and found some families cooking their dinner in the hot water.
Okay, now it's open. Looks pretty dry. I think we need to put a little grease in here. Okay. And then I've got to lubricate the ratchets. And the bearings. Okay. Just got to clean it up, put some grease in it, and put it back together again. Go the fast way now. Yeah. Yep. It's all over all of it. Okay. Next we got to do this part. Just put a little there. Don't want it too much grease on here because if you put too much, then it attracts dirt and dust and gets all gooped up, which we don't want. Just a little thin layer, and then you turn it, and it'll spread itself out. Yep. So I think we got it all. Looks like it's all got a little grease on it. Okay. Wipe this out, stick it back in. Stick the bearings back in. I guess we'll grease them up. Same thing, you want to put it on there. Nice layer of it, but you don't want it to be too thick. Good, because then we tail this way, take it around and tail this way. Okay, all good. Let's screw this one back on and already. It's down there. All done. Yeah, good deal.
It was time for a crew land adventure. We decided to go to Flora Tropica Botanical Gardens. The owner, Jim, offered us a behind-the-scenes tour. Jim's a sailor. He parked his boat in Savusavu some 20 to 30 years ago and started planting palm trees. He propagates, collects, curates rare and endangered palms from all over the world. Researchers flock to his collection. Some seeds take years to germinate, so it's a slow process. But the results are stunning.
25,000 litre storage. His claim to fame is he has every known species of house pony on the planet. And I'll tell you what, there's thousands of them.
There is, yeah.
Literally thousands.
Yeah.
All right, these are actually all gingers. They're nice.
Great, damn big.
Not really an edible.
It's market day. The town of Savusavu is arranged along the waterfront, making easy access. We just take the dinghy over to the part of town where we want to shop. Today, it's the farmer's market. The waterfront is landscaped with nice walking paths. There are several nice playgrounds for kids to play in. And they even have lights powered by solar and wind. These lights will never go dark. Tables are heaped with fresh produce. Lots of local honey and fresh coconut oil. Peas, beans, lentils, and lots of spices. Local tobacco is rolled into long ropes, sometimes cut into pieces for smaller budgets. They call this suki. And then we load up the dinghy. Careful not to step on the eggs. And head for home. Selwyn.
Okay, we came back from the market. We got big pile of eggs. They say don't put all your eggs in one basket. That might be good advice. Fiji's real good on, they love their plastic, so I got all this plastic just from a couple trays of eggs. These beans look really good, but they look like they might need to be shucked, and when you shuck them, they taste like peas, so they're good. Mango, almost ripe. They call their chilies bongo, but they kind of look like habaneros to me. Lots of limes, lemons, whatever, grapefruit, some baby ginger so we can make some ginger candy, yum yum yum. A couple of avocados, some banana, and some nice dark honey. It's really good honey. So we scored at the market. There's the ginger candy from the last batch. It wasn't very much that could be made into candy, so I was really excited about getting the young baby ginger. Nice and tender. The older stuff is better to use as a spice, but for candy you want the young stuff. The young and sweet stuff.
Well, it looks like we're going to win this.
After provisioning, the work still isn't done. We hard-boiled some eggs since our bowl was overflowing. We started on the ginger candy and the chili pickles. And we squeezed all the limes and we shucked all the beans.
So what you up to, Sherry?
I'm pickling chilies.
Okay, how do you do that?
Well, we cut up the chilies and we take out some of the heat or all of the heat. I've taken the membranes out and the seeds, pack them in a pickle jar. I like to use cloves, garlic, and green pepper. And if I've got room in the jar and I've got them on hand, I'll put in carrots, and an apple is good. And I use just salt, to pull the juices out, and that'll cause a lacto fermentation of the juices, and then we'll pickle it. Just like 3 to 5 days to ferment.
So that's it?
And then you can pickle it.
That's it?
This is the fermented pickled chilies. Yeah.
Okay, Samantha.
Oh, hello!
So, what are you doing on this yacht?
In this particular moment, I'm learning about canning.
Perfect.
Yeah, I just canned. Can I say that I canned?
That's soon to be ginger candy.
Woo!
We haven't had conditions yet to fly our spinnaker. It looked like a plain white sail, but we still wanted to have a look. So one calm, wind-free morning, we hoisted her up. It was not a plain white sail at all.
Get on that sheet, Sher. We're going to need to let it go pretty quick. Oh, wow! Oh my God, really? Okay,
Wow! The sail has a massive painting of Selwyn, friend of the sea, and his mermaid. But of course, as soon as we had the sail up, the wind came, and we had to drop it right away. We're all gonna have to wait for a better look. Join us next time when we cruise Fiji, threading our way through narrow, nerve-wracking reef passages and explore remote anchorages. Please like, share, subscribe, and smash the bell so you don't miss any action.
He's curious.
You're gonna crawl in the camera again, watch.
What a great time. Is it a horny man?
So here's Samantha, the hero, rescuing our shoes. It was a near tragic accident. But Samantha, she's a hero. The shoes have been rescued. Yeah, good thing the shoes float,
the
huh?
other two, because there's 4 and I hadn't counted.
Yeah, I don't think we should keep them down there. Boat wake.
Yeah, that boat wake. Boat wants to climb off the boat.
So take a bow, hero.